This is Ken at Tortoise Capital with a review of the market health check for August 28th, 2019. The market held support at yesterday's low and found resistance at yesterday's high, so basically an inside day, but a mostly signal type of a day, signal up. The 10-day and 30-day trading ranges remain stable. The price ladder remains stable. The spring, which had been wavering on the return to winter, voted slightly north and stayed in the spring, so that's still positive. Let's take a look at the winners and losers real quick. U.S. Steel, great big winner. Dow, Chemical, Oil Exploration, Devon Energy, Pfizer. So the losers rebounded nicely. So that's evidence of people buying quality on sale. That's actually a favorable sign. When people are looking at risky assets and evaluating them as value plays, that's evidence of a turnaround. Metals and mining did real well. So if we took a quick look at U.S. Steel, you can see at the end of a 5-day down, opened low, closed at the fair value. Look for more momentum tomorrow as a second day of momentum. Dow Chemical, same thing. We got long on that one today. You have a 1, 2, 3 entry and breaking out of the top of the doji and all signal all day. Oil and exploration. Maybe finding a double bottom support. We're well into the spring in the middle of the river, so this is a reasonable place to get long on momentum tomorrow. Fair value, PSAR flip, Bollinger Band mean on the far side of the river. Devon Energy, our frog champion, mid cap energy, still much more room to go. That looks almost like the same thing. Let's check down at oil. Same kind of double bottom. Advanced Micro held support here at the previous PSAR, and the dragon has started to roll up. That looks good. Home Depot. We talked about that as being the strongest in the Dow. Starting to put the pedal to the metal. You better get on board that one. Train leaving the station. Disney, nice breakout across the dragon. Tomorrow will be an RLXD entry, so you want to get on board that. Quick look at energy. Finding support for the whole sector. Let's run down to the losers today. Johnson & Johnson, the first non-ETF. Travelers. Even the losers didn't look that bad today. Campbell Soup. Microsoft. But that's faint praise right there. What to see? It's really been sideways for 50 days. Not much there. Intel flat for the day. So mostly it was value hunters today. No sign of panic. Volatility continuing to decline. That's good for the long side. It may be holding here, so be postured that way. It's Ken at Tortoise Capital. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry.